Hello again and welcome back to another great episode of In the Kitchen with Improved You. Alright guys, today we're going to be making oatmeal. Breakfast for champions.
It's a different kind of oatmeal. This is a special kind of oatmeal, and I bet you've never tried it before. Coached by us on your nutrition, this specific meal is going to count for 0 veggies, 2 carbs, 1 protein because of the Greek yogurt, and 0 fats because we're using a non-fat Greek yogurt.
So let's get it. Let's talk about what we're going to work with today, our ingredients. First, we're going to get started with, well, oatmeal, because that's what we're making. We like to get our oatmeal from Trader Joe's, the gluten-free kind, but honestly, unless you're gluten insensitive, it doesn't really matter. Greek yogurt. You know what? Dairy is good for you. So, water as well. So, go to your tap and grab that. Next up, we're going to need some cinnamon or stevia. 2 per serving. Blueberries, blackberries, and some raspberries.
Things you're gonna need to successfully complete said oatmeal. 2 bowls. We are making 2 servings, so we have 2 bowls. You're gonna need a liquid measuring cup, a dry measuring cup. You're gonna need a spoon. Ta-da!
So, step 1, what we're gonna do is actually work with the big stuff. So, we got our oatmeal over here. Again, we're making 2 servings, so we're gonna go 1 cup. By the way, we already have measuring cups inside, so instead of 1 big cup, we're just gonna go 4 quarters. 4 quarters make 1 whole. Yay. 1 cup dry oats. For every part of oatmeal, you want 2 parts of water. Therefore, 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 cups of water. Just gonna go over here real quick, fill this up with some water. Speaking of which, would you like to know how to not make the oatmeal overflow the bounds of the cup? So one way to do it is to cover it up, but of course we want to use a material that's microwave friendly, therefore we just wet a napkin. Now let's add some flavor to the oatmeal. We're gonna take some cinnamon and, to your liking, can you tell I like it? Cover the water up with a layer of cinnamon, and then for each serving of oatmeal, we're gonna do 2 packets of stevia. Because yes, life is sweet, and so are you. Once we got that all together, we're gonna mix some things around. Mix it all together. Once we got this far, we're going to grab that piece of napkin, set it over the cup. We're going to head over to the microwave and set that in for 2 minutes. 2 whole minutes.
Our oatmeal is done from the microwave. We can get started on the next step, which is the yogurt and berry step. So what we're gonna do is take our 1 cup and we're gonna get 1 cup. This part can get a little messy. It's all good. We're gonna put that as the base. We are using a non-fat Greek yogurt. We're gonna add some more flavor to it because it can be a bit tangy. So we're gonna put some berries in it. We've chosen blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. We're just gonna take a little bit of each, and we're gonna put a light layer here. We're gonna get some blackberries. You can add whatever berries you decide to this. And then we're gonna get some raspberries in there. That looks amazing. Great.
Last step, easiest one of them all. We're going to simply take off the napkin, mix the oatmeal all together to make sure that we have it all evened out with the cinnamon. And since we're making 2 portions, we're going to put a half in one. How do you know when you got to half? Well, half of 2 cups is 1, so there you have it. And half in the other. For those of you guys who do like your food on the sweeter side, if you find unflavored, non-fat Greek yogurt to be a little more on the tangy side and that doesn't really toot your horn, a great way to fix that up is to simply just add another packet of stevia to that Greek yogurt. That's how you just save 20 grams of sugar like that. Please comment below if you have any questions, concerns, or let us know what you like about it, what you don't like about it. The more you tell us, the more we give. Have a beautiful day.
Hey, I want it. Oops. I think you have more oatmeal than I do.
No?
Are you sure? You did it fair?
Yeah. Fair square.
I ended up oopsie. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Enjoy.